Hello and welcome. Today I will walk you through the new Canva Glow. So you can see we have a new clean looking interface. Major change is this left panel. Now it is not always open. When you hover over these icons they open. Only when you click on any of the icon it remains open. To close it, simply click on the X on top. This gives more space for the artboard. When you click on something, be it canvas, text, image, audio or any element, then you will get this floating bar on top with all the options to edit it. When you click on this arrow you will get additional option on the right. Okay, now let's add some text. See, now the top bar shows all the options to edit the text. You can change the color. Use magic right. Font size bold, italic. When you click on animate or position you will get options on right side. Now when you click on this double arrow icon, see you get all the options related to text editing on this right panel. Let's add more text. And an element. Now when I click on the text, the top bar shows all the options to edit the text. When I click on the element, the top bar shows all the options to edit the element. And here is the most important and useful feature. See, I changed the color of text and want to change all text in this design to this color. Click on Change All. Likewise, I can also change font. Change the font and click on this button, Change All. This will apply this font to all the text in design. Click on Position, and you will see all the layers in this right panel. It is same as it was. Drag the layers to reposition it, and beside it you will find Arrange. You can align elements here. Drag this slider to zoom in and out of the canvas. Click on this grid icon to change view to grid view. Click on it again to get back to single view. Then click on this icon to get thumbnail view. Let's see how we get apps. I will add a photo. Now in this right panel, see, we get this app section. All these apps are related to image editing. In this app section in the left panel, we now have two sections: Discover and Your Apps. Your apps have all the apps that you have used. Now you have a download button and file menu as well. Hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.